Hey, everybody. Welcome to another episode of
Wonder
Wednesdays. Yeah, we're still doing that. Today, we're going to be talking about what makes buying glasses at Garden City Optometrists different. What do we do different than everybody else?
So it starts in the exam room. The doctors are definitely involved in telling the patient or helping the patient decide what type of lens is best for them. I know when you look at a pair of glasses, you just see an eyeglass lens. There are so many things that go into an eyeglass lens, from coatings and the design of the lens and how thick or thin the lens is, that do affect the patient's vision. And so the doctors are very involved in helping to decide which lens is going to best suit the patient. I have patients who are accountants and attorneys that need a specific kind of eyeglass when they sit in front of their computer because they're in front of two computer screens all day. The average no-line bifocal or progressive would not work in that situation. And so there are specific lenses that are made for that. So the doctors are very involved.
Right. You mentioned coatings. I love anti-reflective coatings. I feel as if everybody should have the anti-reflective coating. That cuts the glare that you get from headlights at night, fluorescent lights, computer screens. It lets more light through to your eye without as many reflections. It's awesome.
And if I didn't have it on my glasses, you wouldn't be able to see my eyes through my glasses. I don't know about you, but when I watch news and someone does not have anti-reflective coating on their glasses, I want to comment below and tell them they need to see their eye doctor for some anti-reflective coating.
Yeah.
So anti-reflective coating also gives you a scratch resistance. I like to tell patients that scratch resistance is kind of like water resistance in a watch. It's only rated for a certain level of depth. In this part of the country, we live at the deep end of the ocean when it comes to scratching glasses because the amount of dust in the air and the amount of wind we get. So will a scratch-resistant lens scratch? Absolutely it will. If you put it through enough wear and tear, it will still scratch. The good news is that all of our coatings come with that 2-year warranty as well as our frame. So if you buy a frame and lens from us, it comes with that 2-year warranty against normal wear and tear. If you run it over with the car or Fido eats it, that is not a warranty issue. I'm sorry. So the next step in the process is when we get done with the patient, we take our patients to the optical, and they work with an employee called an optician. And opticians are specifically trained in measuring and fitting glasses.
Exactly. It needs to fit your face perfectly, and they know what is going to work out the best for you, and they can measure and get you a frame that's going to be perfect for you. That's something that you don't get online. It's not going to fit perfectly, especially a progressive edition lens, a no-line bifocal. It just doesn't work right there.
No, you have to be measured perfectly.
Yeah, we use the OptiCam. What's that like? What's that?
So the OptiCam is a digital device that they place on the lens, on the frame, and they adjust your glasses to fit your face like as if you would be wearing them. They put the device on your glasses, and then they use an iPad that has a specific adapter on it that helps us measure things. It measures how far apart your eyes are. That's called the pupillary distance. It measures either the optical center or the where they want to start the bifocal, and that's up and down in the lens. And those things are extremely important when we're talking about vision because the lens has the best vision at the center. And if that center of the lens is not in front of your eye, you're not seeing the best you possibly can. Once we get the glasses measured and made, our office will call them and set up a time for you to come in and pick them up. Why do we like appointments for picking up glasses?
We need, during the manufacturing process, oftentimes the frame is going to get a little bit bent out of shape. It's just part of you putting that lens in there. It takes some doing, I guess you could say. And so we need to make sure that they're fitting properly for you. When you come to pick up your new pair of glasses at Garden City Optometrists, we're going to double check all of the adjustments, make sure all the screws are tight, make sure they're balanced properly between the nose and the back of the ear and fitting comfortably and perfect, that the prescription is accurate, that you're seeing well and comfortably out of the glasses. We're not just going to hand them to you and say, okay, bye, see ya.
Correct. So the opticians will adjust them and fit them. What happens if I get my glasses home and I still don't think I'm seeing as well as I should?
We stand behind them. You come, you let us know. Say, hey, they're not working. We're going to do a RX check. double check everything, double check the measurements, double check the prescription with the doctor. If we find that something happened in the manufacturing process and it's not right, we fix them for you, no charge. We get you set up with something different. Sometimes you talk about the no-line bifocal. For some people, it's very rare with the newer digital technology that we have, we use the best. But for some people, a very rare percentage, the no-line does not work. So if you come to Garden City Optometrist, you buy a Progressive Edition lens, that's the no-line bifocal. You get it home, you wear it all day, every day for a week, and you're just like, you know what, it's not working for you. Then we'll change you to something else at no charge right there. Sometimes it's a flat top bifocal, which is the regular Ben Franklin, just a line on the glasses. That works for some people, or whether it's single vision or something like that. So yeah, we stand behind our products. And so it's great. Yeah.
What happens if we break your glasses? We do offer eyeglass repair as well.
Yeah.
So bring them in, let us look at them. Not all glasses can be repaired. There are certain parts of a frame, that's the part of the eyeglass that holds your lenses, that just are really, it's not proper or not an option to fix them. We can solder some things, but you can imagine that those of you who actually do soldering, you have to have enough contact in order for that solder to hold for very long. And eyeglasses are very, very dainty and detailed, and there's just not a lot of surface area. But we can usually do those sorts of things to get you by should you break a pair of glasses and not have a backup pair. Oftentimes we can get you pieced back together to get you to the next appointment when you can get new eyeglasses or whatever you need to do. Or if we have to order a warranty frame, we can usually get you by until that comes in. So
even if you didn't buy your glasses from us, we can fix the glasses that you got. You know, if you're coming in from out of town and your glasses are broken, you need a nose pad, come on in, we'll get you set up. No charge.
Yep.
So, yeah.
We'd love to help you, so come in and see us.
Yeah. If you have questions or comments, things you'd like us to discuss in the future, let us know in the comments below. Like us on Facebook, YouTube.
Instagram. Right? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Wednesday.
See ya.